Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video with your one and only Claudie Cooks in the kitchen. Happy holidays everyone. I'm making some sorrel drink today and I thought why not record it. This is a drink we have throughout the Caribbean during the festive season, so join me in making this delicious beverage. Let's go. Just to note, all of the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the link below for you. Right, I've got 2.5 pints of water here boiling on high, and to that pan we are going to add a stick of cinnamon, 1 star anise, 1 bay leaf, and I've got about 5 cloves here, orange peel. Right, I'm gonna let that seep in the hot water for maybe about 2 to 3 minutes and then we'll be back. It's about that time now. 1 cup of grated ginger. Just giving that a little mix. This is what it's looking like. It smells amazing. It smells like Christmas in the kitchen. Time to add the sorrel, and this is 250 grams. I've washed it already, so in that goes. Time to mix that up. I have to show you this. Look at this beautiful rich red color. This is definitely all about Christmas and it smells like it already. Right, I'm going to add a bit more water. This is some boiling water just to cover it. I'm going to reduce the heat from high to medium low, and I'm just going to let that infuse with all of the flavors in there, and I'm going to let that cook for 10 minutes and we will be back. We've reached that 10-minute mark. We're going to turn fire off. We're going to leave this so that the flavor can develop even more intense than it already is at the minute. So we're going to leave that overnight, and then I will be back tomorrow when I'm sweetening it up. Don't forget to take out the orange peel, the cinnamon and the bay leaf. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, we are back to sweeten our sorrel. Just take a look at this. Doesn't this look festive to you? It really does, and it just smells so good. I'm just going to give that a little stir, and we're going to get the sieve and we're going to strain this away now. Right, and I'm just going to transfer that to a clean bowl, and we're going to keep on doing this until all of this sorrel drink are in this bowl. Right, we're down to this last bit. We've still got a lot of flavor still within this, so I'm just going to pour a bit more water onto it so we can get a bit more of the sorrel drink. Put it back in there. I'm adding about 1.5 cups more water to the sorrel. Just gonna press some more of the juice out, and then we're going to add it to this bowl. Okay, what I did off camera was I put some disposable gloves on and squeezed out as much juice as I can, so we didn't waste any basically, because there's still quite a lot of flavor in the sorrel leaves. So, right, look at this. How glorious does this look? Right, okay, we are going to get sweetening this baby and get it all ready so we can indulge over the Christmas holidays. This one is going to be alcohol free. You can add white rum or red label wine, as I saw my grandmother used to do when she made this. We're not having any alcohol in this one here, so I don't even know how many cups are in this, but this is what I have, and I used a big cup, and I'm putting a cup of brown sugar. And obviously, if it's not sweet enough for you, you can add more sugar to it. So I'm going to sweeten this and see whether I need to add a bit more sugar to this. Time to taste. I think that's perfect for my taste. However, if you want to put more sugar in, or you can put honey, or obviously if you've got maple syrup or agave, whatever the choice of your sweetener, you can use that. So right now it's that time to pour it into a serving jug. And there you have it, guys, my Christmas sorrel drink. Enjoy.